The coldest season of the year is rainy summer season. Oh, or winter.
विंटर सीजन। इसका वो भी पता चलना चाहिए कि कौन सा ठंडा सीजन है, मतलब विंटर सीजन। डेली
Receive rainfall in winter season.
फॉल्स।
What is the duration of winter season? What is the duration of winter season? First, please tell me what do you understand by the question. What is the duration of winter season? Arvind? I'm not asking for an answer. Tell me what do you understand by the question.
When the season starts and when the end.
That is the duration. Okay, now the answer. Shubham?
From November to March.
Is that the answer?
No.
How do you answer?
The winter season starts from November and it ends to March.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Everyone agrees?
Yes.
Second question. Which part of India receive rainfall in winter season? Which part of India receive rainfall in winter season? Ritu?
The part of India receive rainfall in winter season are Delhi and Himachal Pradesh.
Delhi and Himachal Pradesh. Everyone agrees? Third question. Which is the warmest season of the year? Which is the warmest season of the year? Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of warmest? Show something. Good. Now tell me the answer. Chandni?
The summer season is the warmest season of the year.
The summer season is the warmest season. Everyone agrees here?
Yes.
Next question. What is the name of the hot winds that blow during the daytime in summer? Ajay?
The name of the hot winds is low.
Is that how you answer? No. Frame your full answer. Frame your full answer.
The name of the hot winds called.
Agree?
Yes.
Manchika?
The name of the hot winds that blow during the daytime in summer is low.
Is Lu. Everyone agree here?
Yes.
You have some other answer?
Yes.
Other answer?
No, not other, that is same.
Okay. Next question. When does the rainy season begin? When does the rainy season begin? The
Rainy season begins from mid-June. It ends to September.
Alright. It begins in.
Yes. Mid-June.
Was the question about when does it end?
No.
Should you include that in your answer here?
No.
What is the question? Read the question again.
When? Where does? Oh.
Read the question and
When does rainy season begin? When does it end?
so which part did I ask?
What does rainy season?
When does it begin? So your answer should be
Rainy season begins from mid-June.
it begins from mid-June. That is it. Give only the details which are asked. Do not provide anything extra there.
Okay.
The second part of the question asks when does it end? So here you would be including what you just said before.
It ends to September.
It ends in September. Clear everyone? Yes. ठीक है विकास any doubt?
No.
Next question. How do winds cause rainfall? How? The question is about how. How do winds cause rainfall? Shubham?
The winds blow from the sea coming to India to the land. As soon the moisture they get from the ocean, land, on the land, so it rising time by time. And when the vine, they cannot hold the moisture of it, so that moisture become in the rain, and that is.
Okay, so there are different parts of this answer. Okay. Number one, the question is about how do winds cause the rain. So that means something is happening with the winds, which is causing the rainfall. So first of all, from where are these winds coming?
From the sea.
From the sea. And to where are they blowing? Towards the land. They are blowing from the sea towards the land. And what happens when they blow from the sea towards the land? What happens? Yes, Mahima?
From the mountain,
What happens to the winds first when they blow from the sea to the land? What do they carry with them when they blow from the sea to the land? They carry the moisture. Because these are the hot winds there, and then they carry the moisture in them when they blow towards the land. Then what happens when they reach the land?
the clouds, the moisture that they loaded too much, and they cannot they cannot hold the so
Yeah, understood now?
Yes.
So when these winds are blowing from the sea towards the land, they carry what? Moisture in them. Okay, and when they reach the sea, because they have become so much heavy out of the moisture, they cannot hold the moisture in them anymore. And then when they come in contact with any barrier, so the rainfall happens in that area. Clear?
Yes.